Good morning, students. Chapter number 5, Organ System. Student, in previous lecture we have discussed this chapter. And student, in this chapter we have discussed organ system. Skeletal system, muscular system, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory, nervous system. Now student, in this lecture we will discuss the exercise of this chapter. You can see there is some exercise, student. So be ready. Is a part of the excretory system. Stomach, kidney or heart? Yes, student. Kidney. Next, it is a part of the digestive system. Windpipe, stomach, urethra. Yes, student. Stomach. All the bones in our body together form which system? Respiratory system, skeletal system or nervous system? Yes, student. Skeletal system. Now, our lungs help us to breathe, write or paint? Yes, student. Breathe. Okay. Now, true or false? Now, student, you tell me the nerves are a part of the circulatory system. Nerves are a part of the circulatory system. No, student. Nerves are the part of the nervous system. This is a false. Now, student, second, the spinal cord connect the nerves to the brain. Yes, student. Spinal cord connect the nerves to the brain. True. Okay. Now tell me. Lungs are not a part of the excretory system. जो lungs होते हैं वो क्या excretory system का part नहीं है? Yes, student. This is true. Now the food is completely digested in the small intestine. Yes, student. True. Okay. So there is a question also. So first you will do. Now there is a question also. This spinal cord. You can see this page number in again nervous system, skeletal system. So if we talk about student, in nervous system you can see brain is the control center of your body. It control all activities in your body. Okay, like running, jumping, laughing, and it even tells us what you are hungry. And we have done the one true false. The spinal cord connect the nerves to the brain. Yes, student, this is true. Okay. Now, student, we will discuss next fill in the blanks. So, fill in the blanks, student. How many bones present in our body? 206. How many? 206. The food in your mouth mix with the, yes, we have discussed in previous lecture. When you see your favorite food like mango, ice cream, so you feel some watery substance in your mouth. That is called saliva. So when you eat the food, so this food in the mouth mix with the, yes, student, saliva. This is the fill in the blanks. True. Saliva. Okay. Now the kidney remove waste in the form of, yes, your kidney filter the urine. Filter the blood. So this kidney remove waste in the form of, yes, student, urine. So third, urine. What is the function of the kidney? Purify the blood. So this kidney remove waste in the form of urine. Okay. Now student, the system include all muscles in your body. Muscular system. Which system includes all the muscles in our body? Muscular system. Now student, there is a fourth part also. D part. Name two organs for each of the following organ system. Digestive system, respiratory system, excretory system and circulatory system. Only two organs. So first we will tell the digestive system. So you can open the digestive system. Only 2 organs you can write down. Digestive system. This is the digestive system, 2 organs. So you can only write down 2 organs: mouth, food pipe, liver, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. So you can choose any 2 organs and write down in D part. Write 2 organs in the digestive system. You can write any 2, all of these. Whether you can write the mouth, food pipe, liver, stomach, there is a mouth to anus, this is the digestive system, so you can write any 2 organs. Now student, D part, respiratory system. So you can open the respiratory system. You can note down the 2 organs. You can note down the 2 organs, nose or mouth. You can note down windpipe also and lungs also. Okay, so you can choose any 2 organs in respiratory system and you can do in the part D2. Now student, next question is excretory system. Student, excretory system में 2 parts. You can take the 2 organs, D3. This is a D3 answer, and you can choose any 2: kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, urethra. So you can choose any 2 organs. You can choose kidneys or ureter. You can choose urinary bladder or urethra. Okay, so these are the organs of excretory system. These organs are the excretory system. Now student, circulatory system. So you can open the 2 organs of the circulatory system. This is the circulatory system. This is a diagram of the circulatory system. So you write the 2 organs in circulatory system: heart and blood vessels. Heart and blood vessels. So I hope you understand student. We have discussed part A, B, C, D. Okay. So in part E there is a question answer. So you can find out what is the function of the excretory system, student. Yes student, excretory system help in removal of the waste material from our body. Okay. So I will send you the PDF of all these question answer and exercise. Exercise part A to D you will do in book, and part E and F you will do in fair notebook. Okay students, take care. Bye.